Brianna, so in your cart for Black Friday, you've been a professional makeup artist. By the way, do you still do professional makeup for people?
I don't. I'll do like a friend once in a while, but I do not. I've channeled it into the videos.
Hey, I understand.
Actually, that's not true. I don't know what I'm saying. I do once in a while. So for Lauren Brooke, I'll fly to Utah and I'll do some trade show events with her, and I'll do like 50 people that day. So yes, I do.
A little different though, because that's like
Yes. I don't take clients.
that would be fun too. I like going to trade shows. Those are just the energy. They're just as fun. I love it. Okay, so Black Friday, what is going to be, or what should everybody have in their cart, makeup wise, that you love? And everybody, this is clean beauty, non toxic. And so, what should we have our eye on this holiday season?
Definitely. I would take a look out for these brands. I know that they're having some holiday specials. So I would take a look at Juice Beauty, grab their cream blushes. If you like a glowy base, grab their glowy primer as well as their foundation. Those are like my top three.
I feel like primers are hard to find that work well. That, there's nothing like the silicone. I mean, I'm going to say it. It's not as good to have those. So are those silicone free? Do you know?
Yes, these would be. I would say, honestly, that is going to feel like the Juice Beauty Glow is going to feel really similar. There is one that, let me have it. This was sent to me. It is the 100% pure mattifying primer. I would take a look out for them this holiday season as well. I would say this is probably the closest to that silicone, like silky kind of feeling. It's very that almost looks identical to like any silicone feel. And this one is a mattifying, so it's really tacky, really sticky like that, but you have to let it wait for 90 seconds. And I feel like this one's really good. And they also have like a hydrating one.
Okay, primers are a little bit tricky. Okay, so we've got that card. Okay, so that's number one. So Juice Beauty. So I really got to revisit that brand. If you guys could listen to the episode we talked about skincare, we had some Juice Beauty in your cart as well for Black Friday.
Yeah, I would definitely grab their cream blush, primer, and foundation. And then 100% pure. They have a ton of deals all the time. Great holiday sets. They have body care, hair care, skin care, makeup. They also, if you're someone who you don't wear a lot of makeup, you're like, let me just throw a couple things on and we're good to go. I would go and grab their Pretty Naked palette. You get 3 eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlighter.
Oh, wow.
And it has like 5 different shades of their palette. So it's perfect for everyone.
Okay, that's a great find. Yeah, I like that. Just all in one, just go down the line and just be done.
Exactly. You don't need like 4 products taking up in your makeup bag. You just have one.
One, yeah, and just mix. Okay, I love that one. Okay, I'll definitely be on the lookout for that. And by the way, I just love 100% pure. I want to try their lip gloss. Have you tried any of their glosses yet?
I don't think I have. Are they great?
I haven't tried them, so I want to add that to my Black Friday. Hopefully they're having a sale on those, but just because I just think about we're eating our lipsticks and our glosses. You know what I mean?
So oh my gosh, yes.
I want it to be clean. Otherwise, I just feel like, gosh, I'm literally eating my lipstick all day long. And I'm just the type of person that I have to have my lips done. I mean, even when I go to the gym, I just want okay, I just
same.
Naked without my lips or my mascara. I just have to have it on.
Same. I'm like that way with eyeliner. Honestly, I work out and play volleyball in a full face. So I totally understand.
But it's okay because you are wearing toxic makeup, so your skin is breathing. A lot of it's mineral based and it can just
exactly.
So it's fine.
And I'm totally fine. And it's so funny because it stays on. Like my makeup and skin is better now than any of the conventional stuff I used to use. So I love it. I'm like, okay, 3 hours of sweating and running around and I look great. Awesome. I'm like, I'll take it. But speaking of lip glosses, have you tried anything from Lauren Brooke?
I have not. I have not. So that's the brand that you have collaborated on with. Was it the whole collection that you collaborated on, or specific pieces in her collection?
Too specific. So, long time ago, I think I had like maybe 2,000 followers, like very, very small at that point. But it was about 2 years ago, they came out with this advent calendar. So 12 days of organic beauty. And she was like, hey, do you want to, she's like, I applied and she was like, we'd love to have you as one of our 4 influencers. Like you can create any product you want. And I was like, yes, I'm creating a highlight and a contour. And so I did the Universal Champagne and the Universal Warm. And I sent her over the colors and I was like, I want you to mimic these. She sent back samples and swatches. And I was like, this is perfect. And it became so popular that they brought it to full size. And it actually was their best seller last year. And I want to say this year. Yeah. So I love them. So they're fabulous. But the ones, oh my gosh, I work with her. So I help her with trade shows. I do content for her page. And I will say like 50% of my makeup is from her. It's number one, has organic ingredients. Number two, it's actually affordable. And it's made in the USA, right in Utah. So you're not spending like $50 for something. You're getting an amazing lip gloss for $16. And so you were speaking about lip gloss. They have these lip glazes. I have probably like 6 colors of them. They're fabulous. They also do samples, which is incredible. You don't have a lot of brands like that. It comes in this like little jelly kind of plasticky applicator, but it is so pigmented. Like their colors are so gorgeous. And they have about 20 different shades. And these are just lip glosses.
Okay. It sounds like I need to have her on the show.
Oh, yes. Actually, I would love to connect you with her. She's so wonderful. She makes everything in-house. She knows her ingredients and her stuff.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And I like that applicator. That was really neat. It looks like it just would go on really nice.
And it's easy to clean. So it's not like something where you get like, like you have to like stick it in and pull it out. Look at that. Brand new.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's a pretty color. Thanks for sharing that. And that's really cool collaboration. And it was a top seller. So it'll probably sell out for the holiday. Are you guys going to sell it during the holidays too? Like it's ongoing?
It's ongoing. It is in store. It is in-house, online. It will never leave.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So I have lost count on what number we're on. I think do you know what number we're on?
We're about to be on 4. And fun fact about Lauren Brooke is she also has lip liners. And so I'm helping create some new colors. So stay tuned because we might be finding that cool tone lip liner we've been searching for.
Okay, but I also have a request I like a really bright pop of pink.
Oh my gosh, you would love Lauren Brooke then. You have to try them.
She has a bright...
Yes, I'm going to send it to you. She has some great bright shades.
Perfect. I'm going to showcase that because I just love a pop. I need like a neutral and then a bright.
I think, I want to say French Rose is the color that I think you would like.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Have you tried Fit Glow Beauty? This is the next brand I was going to talk about. Have you tried them?
I have not. I've not tried them.
So I don't think this is the pink. This is their nude shade. But it's, in my opinion, it's not really nude. It's a little more pinky. But I would try to go for their pink one. To me, that's a little more pinky based. But their pink one, I don't have it right. I know it's somewhere over here. I could not even show you. This is so bad. But this is the color that I wear on the holidays. This is their shade Root. And this is so pretty.
That is pretty. That's if you want like a darker, sultry lip. That will look really nice.
Yes. That's like a deep, dark red. But it's nice because it kind of has, it's not that orangey super red. It has more like kind of blue tone. So it's actually good for brightening and whitening your teeth. So love that from them. And then, I would check out their pink. But they are one of the brands that I would be on the lookout for their Black Friday sales. They are on the pricier side. So when they are discounted, you want to grab Their lip liners and their lip serums. Oh my goodness. Their lip serums are $42, but they are completely worth it. It's their like lip gloss. So good. Oh my gosh.
I'm okay paying that if it'll last like a really, like a long time. Then I'm like, okay, it's a good investment.
Yeah. I would definitely say the lip liners will last. I actually use lip liner as my lipstick because that's a great tip. If you feel like your lips don't last as long, find a lip liner that you could use as a lipstick and it lasts all day.
Okay, yeah. And then just color in. And then maybe put like a gloss over it. And
Yes, that's what I do.
okay. Those are great.
Yeah, and I would say other brands to look out for, like holiday special wise, Well People. This is their old packaging, but I use it every single day. I have like 2 palettes. I love their taupey brown eyeshadow. It is fabulous. I use it all over my lid, into my crease.
That you're almost out of, that you obviously go to. What color is that?
Oh my gosh, I go through it. It is their taupe.
Okay.
So good. And this is their taupe palette. It's white now, so this is very, very old. But I use it all the time, and it is just, oh my gosh, it is so good. So I would take a look at them for eyeshadows. They do have some other stuff, but I like their eyeshadows the best. Air Perez is a great brand to look out for Black Friday. You love Air Perez. They have some amazing colors.
Yes, and I do. They are, to me, a little pricey too, so I'm going to be looking for Black Friday for them as well.
Yes, they have the almond brow pencil. I use it as my lip liner, so I contour my lips and add some color in. You love the Air Perez cacao crayons. Those are great, super pigmented. They have a really nice bronzer pot that's good. I actually just fell in love with, let me grab it, with their jojoba eye pencils. So they come in different shades, but they have like a slight sparkle to them. So this one is in bronze. So it's not showing up on camera too much, but it's very bronzy and sparkly. And so what I do, if I want to make my eye color pop or green eyes or whatever, this is actually really good for blue eyes. But I apply my wing and then I'll ever so lightly go over it. And it just like, I don't know what it is. It just opens them and it like finds the colors in my eye and I love it. And they have like green and like, I think they discontinued purple, but some gorgeous colors. I love Air Perez for their pigments.
I have hazel eyes, so I love a purple and a green. Yeah. It's just like, makes your eyes pop. I could never do that wing though. Like your wing is very impressive. Are you like putting tape at an angle or you just got it down?
I have done a wing since I was 14. So I have some practice with a wing, which is just so funny. But I would totally check out Forest and Bronze from Air Perez. I think that would be so gorgeous on your hazel eyes. I think you would love it. Another brand with the eyeliner with this cat eye is Beauty Care Naturals. So they are a small US owned, woman owned brand as well. And they came out, this is the only clean felt tip eyeliner pencil I found. Like, look how gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
Straight up, just a felt tip pencil pen. So dark, so affordable, so clean. They also have lip liners. I wouldn't say super bright, but they do have some beautiful pinks. This one is
Today, the felt eyeliner, is that the one that you have on?
Yes, I wear this every single day. And
that's really pretty.
Yeah, I start with, first I do a line and then I connect it. I love it. And they have their cool bronzer that I showed you, lip pencils, eyeshadow, skincare. They have literally everything.
Let me ask you, it's hard to find a clean eyebrow powder or pencil. What are you putting on your brows?
So I use Plume Science. This is one of their boxes. They actually do a refillable eyebrow pencil. So they are a Canadian brand and I love them. I'm in the shade Golden Silk. So it's funny because my brows are dark, but I'm like, we're just going to pretend that they're blonde. And so I bring it down to Golden Silk. But they do everything brow. So they have the refillable brow pencil. They have an amazing brow pomade. When I tell you, I still have not hit pan, and I've used it for like a year plus. Like it will last me forever. And then they have a gel eyebrow, and they also have a really nice black felt tip eyeliner, but it's with this. So it's not the pen, it is the applicator. So I love, and they are like, if you need brows, go to them.
I am so excited. I'm getting the brows. I have like, as we're talking about this, I'm like visualizing my cart with stuff, and I want to get those jewel toned eyeliners. I want to get the lip gloss serum. I want to get the lip glosses, and I'm already thinking about the skincare stuff too. Card is going to be out this holiday season.
Yeah, you're like Black Friday sales. You're like, come on, guys, I'm ready. You're like, let's go.
Load up on Black Friday sales because I'm like, this is they're unloading their inventory for the.
Oh, I know you have to. I did the same thing for AirPrez last year. I was like, I need this and this and this because it's such a good deal. You save like, I wanted to say I saved like 50 plus. I was yes.
Yeah. So everybody that's listening, because I used to own a spa, I know how this is. At the end of the year, you have to account for all your inventory. So what do? You're like, we got to get rid of this stuff. So you put everything on massive sale. That's why Black Fridays are awesome. They need to like get ready for their new shipments coming in. So I think it's just such an excellent time to get all your stuff. So we're going to put
such a good point. Such a good point.
We're going to put links to everything here. So we will know. I'm going to go through this, and Brianna, you'll have to double check, because I want to make sure that everybody knows exactly what brands you talked about for sure. And then where can everybody find you? Where can they see you? And I didn't even know you had a YouTube channel until you said it on the last show. So tell everybody where they can find you.
Yeah, so I have Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook at Blessed Holistic Life.
On your YouTube, are you doing tutorials? So for instance, let me just ask you, for your Instagram versus your YouTube, is it longer form content for your YouTube?
Pretty similar. It's pretty much, I'm just repurposing the videos, but once in a while I'll have some old videos that I used to go live with that'll be like 3 to 5 minutes long. So I'll do like a really in-depth review. So I'll post them there. I do really need to do some more longer form videos. So I will probably do that.
Full makeup tutorial. Do you have a full makeup tutorial on any of your channels?
Ooh, I do on Instagram, but it is really fast. So that is something that I need to do, because it's actually funny. I was just in Japan and I filmed a whole full makeup tutorial, and it's like 20 minutes long. So maybe I'll just put that together and put it on YouTube.
It's really cool. Gosh, this is a Black Friday conversation, like for all the sales, but you have such a great story. I like really wanted to go deeper in that, but I know that I was like, got to focus on, what we're talking about, but you have such an incredible story. I wanted to hear more of that. Thank you for sharing everything. If you don't know what I'm talking about, listen to the first episode on why Brianna got into clean makeup in the first place. That is definitely worth a listen. Brianna, thank you so much for being on the show. It was wonderful to have you.
Thank you so much.
And happy holidays, everybody.
You too.
Okay, my skin friends, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If so, would you take 30 seconds and share it with a friend who may want to change their skin without all of the overwhelm and confusion? And before you go, I would love to send you my free 48-hour skin makeover as a gift. All you have to do is leave your review on the podcast, because it really supports the growth of the show. This is my 48-hour skincare makeover guide, where I will show you all of my best tips to transform your skin quickly. Perfect for when you need to look amazing in a short amount of time. All you have to do is leave your review on the podcast, take a screenshot, and then head over to lindsayholder.com/review to upload it. And then you will get instant access to the 48-hour skincare makeover guide. Again, head to lindsayholder.com/review to upload your screenshot and get access. I am so grateful for all of your support and cannot wait to hear how the podcast has supported you. Now, time to grab your favorite skincare mask and have some TLC time for yourself. I'll meet you back here on Tuesday for another episode. Until next time.